Hey y'all, it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. I am here with the Not Too Shabby stamp and die of the month, and this is our monthly hop. So this is a hashtag driven hop. I will have the hashtag in my title as well as in my description box below. But as you can see, that stamp set and die set are absolutely stunning. I love the gnomes and strawberries. Are you kidding me? I love those strawberries. They were so much fun to color too. So as you see, I am stamping it with my Memento Tuxedo black ink, and because I do plan on coloring these with alcohol markers, and I'm using my Misty, and I'm stamping it onto Copic friendly paper called Express It Blending Card. That is my favorite cardstock to color on with alcohol markers. And I'm using my Made by Me little stamping press tool. There's a lot of places that you can purchase those now. I made mine some time ago with just a little furniture foot and a piece of felt, so it works good for me. But I am going to be coloring all of these images. I went ahead and stamped out every image in the stamp set. I end up not using all of them on this card. I will end up using the ones I didn't use. But I am going to color everything up using a combination of alcohol markers between the Nuvo alcohol markers that I have and my Copic markers, the few Copic markers that I have. It's funny, I'll look for reasons to, color with my Copic markers, and of course these strawberries helped me out because one of the first sets that I bought were red ones. So anyway, so I'm using my red Copic markers to color those strawberries up, and there's lots of strawberries to color. You see that I'm adding a little yellow at the top of every strawberry. We happen to, where I live, happen to be, a good area. There's a lot of strawberry farmers around. And so I do know that typically at the top of the strawberry, it's either going to be white or maybe a little yellow. Strawberries aren't typically red all over. So I added a little yellow at the top to try to make them a little more realistic looking to me. Not that gnomes are realistic or that my coloring otherwise is very realistic, but you try where you can, So anyway, I get those all those strawberries colored up, and then I'm going to go on to the rest of the images on the stamp set that I did color. I'm just going to let you guys watch me color the rest of this. There's no new technique that I use, no earth-shattering products I use in the coloring. I just thought I'd leave the coloring in. Sometimes you guys like to watch me color, so I'll leave that coloring in. It is sped up quite a bit, so but I'll hush now, play a little bit of music, and let you guys watch me finish coloring this up. Okay, so we're back. I'm done coloring and I'm just getting everything ready to run through my die cutting machine. I'm just using some washi tape to hold down all of my my dies. And you see I've got everything cut out now, and I've pulled some pattern paper from my stash and some red cardstock from my stash. And I have an A2 card base cut out. I'm just gonna get those two adhered together. The green piece is cut 5.5 by 3.25, and then that red plaid looking piece is cut 5.5 by 3. And I just adhere that to the center of my card, and of course, since it is 5.5, it is the length of my entire card. And in true Kim fashion, I have some Scotch foam tape that's going on the back of my gnomes. They're going to go on the front of my card. I always have a hard time getting everything cut exactly the right length. But I finally do get everything cut and get ready to get all of the release paper off the back. I'm just kind of dry fitting them on my card, and I have my little guy gnome. He's already adhered down. I just wanted to make sure that my little girl gnome was getting glued down or adhered down where I wanted her. Now I'm going to take one of the sentiments out of the stamp set and just stamp that onto a piece of white cardstock just from my stash. And I'm using my VersaFine Clair ink in the color Glamorous, and I just trimmed that out to a little thin little flagged end piece, and I'm going to pop that up as well using some Scotch foam tape. I'm just going to put that on the bottom, and because my card is red cardstock, I'm going to glue a piece of white cardstock on the inside. And from some of the scraps of my pattern paper, I'm just going to cut two little flag pieces to go on the inside. These were the scraps that came from the ends of my cardstock. And just glue those down to the inside of my card to bring a little bit of the outside to the inside. And I got that really crooked. Thankfully, Barely Art glue doesn't dry that quickly. It dries quick, but you do have a few minutes or a few seconds of wiggle room. And these are some strawberries that I did not use on the outside, so I'm going to just adhere those down here on the front or on the inside down in that bottom right corner. And that's our card. I really love this. I love crafting with red. Red is always one of my favorite colors to craft with. It just stands out so very well. So as far as this stamp and die set, you can go over to the Not2Shabby shop, and they're available there. You can sign up for the monthly subscription. Just make sure that you click monthly in the little drop down box, and you get a little bit of a discount when you subscribe to the stamp and die set for every month. If there are any left after the subscriptions are fulfilled, Jamie will put the remainder in the shop, and you can purchase it there at that time, but you won't get the discount. Speaking of discount, I do have a discount code, and I'm going to leave that in the description box below for the Not2Shabby shop. And head on over. Jamie keeps her shop just stock full of great things. Not only does she keep her items, the Not2Shabby items in there, but there are items in there from other companies as well, and they're just she just has a great little store, and I love it over there, and I know you will too. So head on over there, use that discount code, subscribe to the Stamp and Die Set of the Month, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.